create an index.html and style.css file and change our Django language to HTML. Use the boilerplate. Now we're going to link our CSS with the HTML. We're going to change the header name to image center, and we're going to take a div inside the body called box, and inside the div we're going to take another div called image, and inside image we're going to use our image tag for connecting the image. Now refresh the live server and we can see the logo here. So we're going to write something on CSS file. So at first we are going to take the margin 0. Inside the box tag we're going to take a height 600 px. The background will be orange, and the display we're going to use grid, and the place item is center. Now we can see our logo is just in center. Thank you.